Hello and welcome to the fifth video of our Matrix MLS training series. In this video, we're going to look into setting up a search for townhouses and villas. As you remember in the previous video, we looked at condominiums and co-ops. And villas and townhouses, they differ in the way they're governed. So sometimes you'll have villas and townhouses governed by an HOA, which those will be fee simple properties, and other times you'll have them governed by a condo association. So I'm going to show you how to search for both and how to filter them depending on your customer's needs. So the example we're going to look at today is we're going to search for townhouses or villas that are fee simple, priced between 200 to 250,000, have 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 or more bathrooms, located in Plantation, Sunrise, Davie, or Fort Lauderdale. So first of all, we're gonna make sure that we're looking for active listings, then select the property type, condo, co-op, villa, townhouse. Then we're gonna select townhouse and then hold Control key and click villa. I will search both. And then on style, this is what you wanna do. Scroll down and you'll see townhouse fee simple and villa fee simple. Now keep in mind that also when you're doing your condo search, you have additional options here that you can search. For example, for buildings that are 1 to 4 stories, 5 stories, condo hotel. Same thing goes for co-ops. So you have some more search options here. And then we're gonna go ahead and enter the price, 200 to 250. So 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 or more baths, and let's see what we have. And so the cities are gonna be in Plantation, and this Sunrise, Davie, and Fort Lauderdale. Click OK. And then you see you have 11 matches. So those would be, again, like we said, non-condo. But I just want to show you, if you don't select these options, you'll end up with a lot more properties. Or if we select nothing at all, then you'll see you have 32 matches. And as you can tell, once we selected the fee simple, then 20 of the matches wouldn't even be appropriate. So that's why it's so important to know the difference between the two and how to search for them. Now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to do a very detailed map search and also how to search for specific communities. So thank you for watching.
Succeed with Access USA Realty.